Hey, this is Michael Berry. We've had a few students in class post questions, emailed questions to me and Dr. Evans about uh, charts and graphs and embedding them into Word documents. I thought I'd make a quick video and share with you how to do that. It's pretty easy. I'm sure many of you already know how to. If you do, you can just close this and be done. If not, I'll do a quick tutorial of how to do it. Here I made an Excel. I have an Excel book opened. It's titled Energy Density. I have fuel in one column, gasoline, fat, coal, wood, gunpowder, and megajoules per kilogram. And I have a number of values for that. Making charts is pretty easy. The first thing we need to do is copy. And then we're going to go to Insert. We're just going to select, not copy. We're going to click and drag over the information that we want to have made into a chart. Now it's given us a few different options for charts. First thing we have is, I'm going to use a scatter chart. Now you need to make sure that you do charts that make sense. This chart doesn't really make sense for the data we're trying to show. So that doesn't work. We can either do two things to change it and go to Change Chart Type, and we're given another option. I'll go with the line chart. Makes a little more sense, but also still does not really illustrate the point that we're trying to convey with having our chart. Sometimes Excel flips it, or you make the chart in a certain way that Excel doesn't really understand how the chart you're trying to make. You can switch this. Now it did it right the first time. This also doesn't make sense. All it does is it flips what's on the x-axis or along the bottom with what's on the y-axis on the top. So now we can see it really doesn't make sense. That made more sense. Now the best one I think is a column graph. Here we can see, okay, that makes more sense. Here's gasoline, fat, coal, wood, gunpowder, and it has its respective values here. The first thing you'll need to change is the title. We're going to call it energy density. Hope I spelled that right. Looks like it. Okay, with energy density, here we can see we have the title, we have our labels, which is very important. Alright, you can see I already put one here. I'm going to delete and start over. I opened a Word document. I'll put them in each side so you can see. It's real easy to put it on a Word. Just copy. I right-clicked, or Control-C. I'm not sure what it is on an Apple, but I'm sure you know that already. Control-V. Here we go. Now it's here. Important thing to realize is whatever you change here, it changes there. So, probably didn't spell that right, but you can see that whatever I'm changing here changes everywhere. So if I change this to 56, you can see it also changes there as well. So that's a quick rundown of how to do it. A last note, it's a good idea for turning things in is to save things as PDFs. All you have to do is, save as. You go through here, and we see here, save as PDF. Yeah, let's make that again. Okay. Now it's in a PDF file. I've had a few professors that have had, they don't have the right word, or they don't have whatever the problem is, they don't have all the correct, or the formatting issues happen. But everyone can open a PDF regardless of your Mac, Windows, whatever the case is. I'm not sure that Dr. Evans requires that, but that's a good thing to do. Anyway, if you have any questions, please email me or contact me on Canvas. Otherwise, I have my office hours Tuesdays and Wednesdays 4 to 5. I'm happy to make arrangements outside of that. Just let me know. Thank you.